Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make this beautiful flower design using nylon thread. As you can see, we are going to use two different color of thread, pink and green. So pull them together and tie a knot. After this, we are going to divide each one of them and we are going to take two to each side. Tie a knot using the pink one because the flower is of pink color, so we are going to use the pink one first. After this, we are going to tie a knot using both color together like the green and pink one at the center part and pull it tightly. Your flower design is ready. Let's make this beautiful design. We are using only one green thread and three white threads. So tie a knot using the white one and put the green one at the center part. Pull it tightly and your design is ready. We're going to use green and orange color of nylon thread. So let's get started. We're going to make this beautiful design. You can use it for so many ways, like for bracelets. Here we're going to tie a knot and use the orange one. Pull it tightly on one side and then adjust it by pulling it and it's done. As you can see, we are going to use white and orange color of nylon thread and make this beautiful design. So first tie a knot using the white one. Then we are going to take the orange thread and make this loop and then pull them tightly and tie a knot together. We are going to repeat the same process one more time and your design is ready. For this design, we are using a white color of pearl and red nylon thread. Here we are going to put the pearl, then tie a knot on one side. Then we are going to repeat the same process on other side as well. Hold it tightly and then tie a knot and look, your beautiful design is ready. Here we are going to use yellow and green color of nylon thread. So let's get started. As you can see, we are going to tie two green color of nylon thread at the center. Now using yellow and green one, we are going to tie a knot at both sides. So pull it tightly and look, your beautiful design is ready. Start pulling it from the corners as well. We're going to tie a knot first using white and pink. Look how we're doing here. Then add the black thread from one side and then repeat the same process on other side as well. As you can see, we're going to pull each one of them tightly. Look how we're doing here and your beautiful design is ready. Finally, we're going to pull it from the pink one as well. Adjust it by pulling it from all the sides and it's done. As you can see, we're going to tie a red color of thread at the center. Now we are taking very thin nylon threads. So keep adding same color of thread at the same time and then tie knot. Look how we're doing here in this video. Remember the pattern. Look how we're doing here. Continue tying knot with each thread at the same time, one after another, and repeat the same process over and over again. As you can see, finally we are going to tie a knot using the last green one and your design is ready. You continue doing this and it is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.